Waterfalls of death. The female velociraptor has lost her mate to the waterfalls of death. They are dangerous enough to carry off her own kind into the death passion of hell. So dangerous, anything that enters them will be swept away like the wind. She has lost her mate to the fall just a minute ago, floating on a piece of timber who fell. She is on a dangerous and perilous quest to cross the waterfall to the bark on the other side and the other rock. On her way she sees a T-Rex resting on the inside. It is rare that T-Rex come here since they do not swim. She passes heroically and continues. She got to the waterfall's edge. She does not know how to cross it, because she as well as her mate will be swept away, but she must find a way to cross it. She sees a low channel. It is right next to it. She jumps, she misses, she got it, she slips, she gets up. The waterfall of death held many perils, including dangerous cliffs. She is targeted an ankylosaur. However, these creatures are very rare in the terrain. She is very unlikely to get one. What's this? The water has been swept into a fall. She's been blown back half a little way away from where she first started. She's up to her knee in water. She sees that baby ankylosaur followed by some sauropods. The sauropods ignore the her as she is too small to attack them on her own. She has jumped on the water. She is carried back to the falls where she was blown away. She jumps up the water. As she gets back to where she saw the ankylosaur, she noticed that the ankylosaur had vanished. She is so worried she goes back and sees a stegosaur. The stegosaur is very humiliated and is not prepared for a fight. Goes to the river, crosses it. She finds out she cannot pass it for one tiny reason. The rock is unstable and it does not hold both to her and the stegosaur. She gets onto this big wooden pole. She goes onto the fall and she sees that the waterfall there's never waterfall. She must not enter the water, it will be easily slipped over and carried off. She goes to the she seems to be blown off the bark into the ground. Cut!
Cut!
Cut, Mum! Mum, you have